Hello viewers. Welcome to Tech Talk World. In this video, I will guide you that while using Microsoft Excel, how you can combine text of two or more cells in one cell. So without wasting the time, let's jump to Microsoft Excel. I have already filled some cells. Watch full video so that you don't miss any tip or special instructions. To combine the text of these two cells in this cell, we will use ampersand symbol. Select the cell where you need the merged text. Type $. Select cell you want to appear first. Type ampersand symbol and use quotation marks with a space. This space would be the actual space between the text of two cells. Now again type ampersand symbol and select the next cell to be combined. Press enter. Here is the result. Copy this cell and paste to rest of the cells. If you edit the fields, they will be updated accordingly. Now I will tell you how to merge three cells in one. For this, the procedure would be the same as we merged the two cells, but after mentioning the second cell, use ampersand symbol followed by quotation marks with space. Use ampersand symbol again. Then select the third cell to be combined. Press enter. Here it is. You can go further for even more cells by using this function. If you want to use comma between the text or any other text you want to be appeared between the cell values, it can be typed between the quotation marks. If this helped you, don't forget to share it with family and friends. Hit like and subscribe my channel as I will be uploading the videos regularly.